Hey guys, welcome back. And for today's video, what we are going to do is that I am going to give you an update on my project pan. So it's been a month and I had so much success, as in so much. I finished 1, 2, but 3 and almost 4 items from my whole makeup bag, and I'm so excited to share with you guys what I will be replacing it with so that we can still continue to do our project pan, because I still technically have a lot of makeup to finish. So I will keep this intro very short and let's start na. Let us start with the first item that got expired, and that is the Strokes Beauty Microblade Pen in the shade Graphite. So you guys know that I'm just really finishing this up, but I think there's still a lot of product in this item, and when I did a little swatch, meron pa nga. So, since expired na siya, I don't like using it anymore for my eyes because I might get an infection, and I don't like to have any eye complication because I'm using expired eye makeup. So, I'm just going to throw this away already, and I have been waiting for this moment for a really long time. My basurahan is down here, so yay! The next items that I will be sharing with you guys are my makeup empties. So I've finished not only 1, 2, but 3 makeup items from my previous video. And I'm so proud of myself for consuming all of this already. And I'm really so proud of myself. So let's start with the powder. So I finished the Elana Cosmetics translucent powder, guys. So as you guys can see, wala na siyang product sa loob. And I finished this actually mid of July. So I've started using its replacement, and that is the Easy & Co translucent powder rin. So this is a big tub pala, and I really like this. First impressions is that it's really finely milled. It's so much finer than the Elana. So I'm enjoying this already, and I look forward to finishing this as well. I don't think that I will be repurchasing another powder after this because it's kinda a lot talaga. Next empty is the Vice Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Shining. So this is really such a success also for me. As you guys can see, walang-wala na. Even dun sa crevices ng item, wala na siya. I'm so happy na naubos na to kasi this is one item na expired na talaga, promise. So, the ways that I consume this highlighter is that I placed it as an eyeshadow, of course as an highlighter. Sometimes I used it to top off my cream blush, so it's going to be all over the cheeks area. And when it was still very hot, I used to wear a lot of sleeveless, so I put the highlighter here on my collarbone and here on my shoulder, so that when I do like that, it's shiny shimmering, and I really like it. Sobrang ganda on our body as well. Kaya, naubos to agad. So I'm so happy with this. And I replaced it with my Becca Shimmering Highlighter. This is in the shade Opal. So guys, ito yung pinaka-expired sa lahat, but this is the most expensive highlighter that I bought because I got this pa from the States, and sobrang dami pa niya. Ayan. So I don't have plans of replacing this anytime soon because I really like the shimmer of this. It's so blinding because I like my highlighter shiny, shimmering, splendid. So if you guys also like a highlighter like that, go check out the Becca highlighters. Sobrang ganda. My third empty, guys, is my favorite lipstick as of the moment, and that is the Detail Cosmetics lipstick in collaboration with Kenny Manala. So as you guys can see, I've already reached the rim of this item at hindi siya nagpo-focus, but nandito na talaga siya, and I'm so happy that I've made it because there were really days that I wanted to try out my other makeup, my other lipsticks to be more specific, but because we made a commitment to myself that I will be finishing this lipstick, I did it. We did it, guys. We did it! Ayun. 2 To replace this, I have decided to use one of my lip tints because I'm not really sure what to do with it anymore. So I will be using the Easy & Co lip tint, and this is in the shade Desert Rose. So I'm just going to use this just like any other liquid lipstick. So it's going to be full on, and I do not plan of putting this anywhere else but my lips. And to continue using with my lips is the Easy & Co Hydro Gloss in the shade Love Boat. Honestly guys, I don't know how much I have consumed in a month's time because there's no evidence man lang around the tube that I was making such progress. That's why as I continue my project pan, this will still be a part of it. I am so happy guys that I get to throw already all my empties. All my 3 empties guys. Sobrang saya. It's such a successful month for me. Kaya together guys, let us get our basurahan and we shall throw it again. This item was almost an empty because until now, meron pa rin siyang laman. And that is the Bello sunscreen. So until now guys, ang dami pala nitong laman. Meron pa siya, but by the weight of it, feeling ko sobrang konti na lang ito. So I'm going to be passing this on to our second month. And if I have consumed it already, I am replacing it with the Easy & Co skin tint. So this is in the shade Vanille and Hazel. I got 2 shades because I don't think I really had like a perfect match in their skin tint range. So I just got the 2 shades and I'll just mix them. I plan to also use Vanille as a concealer and brighten up the areas where I want brightened in my face. And for Hazel, since this is a little dark, I will use this as a contour. So I'm going to use it more of like a cream contour. That's why I have 2 shades. So this will be replacing the Bello once I have consumed fully the Bello sunscreen. For the remaining products, just a quick update siguro on those. So let's talk about quickly the eyebrow products from Easy & Co, which you guys know are my favorite. Honestly, I don't know if I really made so much progress on this because like for the mascara, I don't know how much I've consumed. And for the pencils, sobrang konti lang na-consume ko nito. I think like centimeters lang yung na-consume ko because I just use this really to line my brows. And then that's it. And for this, since because the packaging is so opaque, I don't know how much I've consumed, but I did use this every day together. So I'm just going to be continuously using this on our second month. The next item that I want to give an update on is our favorite mascara as of the moment, and that is of course the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Honestly, just like the brow mascara of Easy & Co, I don't know how much product I have consumed because the container is so opaque. So I'm just going to make the most out of it na lang because when I give my second update, expired na to. Because this only has a shelf life of 6 months. So just going to make the most out of it, then I'll be throwing this away. I don't have a replacement. That's why I'm already searching for the next mascara, pero maybe that will come in another time na lang. But for now, we will still be using our Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Quick additions to my project pan are makeup from Sunny's Face. So the first Sunny's Face item that I will be adding is the Air Blush in the shade Biscuit because I want to try the contour technique that's going around TikTok wherein they put here and then they go all the way down to the chin area, and these people look so thin. They look so thin after putting their contour like that. So that's the plans with this makeup. And also for my eyes, I want to consume their eye crayon. This is in the shade Camel. Among all the 3 shades that I got, this is the worst because I don't like the color. Kasi may pagka-orangey siya. So I'm just going to consume this and then I don't want to deal with anything with this anymore. I'm going to be so happy if even by mid-month, ubus ko na to. My next update with all of you will be on September 4, 2021. And on our second month of doing the project pan, my goal is to finish 4 items. If I could consume 3 items in 1 month, hopefully I can consume 4 naman, diba? It's not impossible to do anyway. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really proud of the progress that I have done, and I hope that you're also proud of me that this makeup hoarder is finally becoming more intentional, and she's really thinking about her purchases already in terms of at least my makeup. So that's it, guys. Thank you again for watching. I'm really thankful for all of you always watching. So please don't forget to subscribe. Please also forget to like this video so that we can get more algorithm and hopefully grow an interesting community here on my channel. So thank you, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!